This is Cheyenne again from HZad Education. Today I wanted to talk about CELPIP Writing Task 2 and the template for that. Now, unlike my last video where I mentioned it here, this time I have posted a link in the description. Feel free to go there, check out our blog. Our blog has that template written down, so the link will be specifically to that template. It'll show you what to write in the intro, body 1, 2, and the conclusion. Just copy paste those words every time you're doing the CELPIP Task 2. It'll help you do good vocab. It'll help you be on structure with a lot of points, and it'll save you so much time because you would just copy paste those words. You wouldn't have to think in the exam. So it does a lot of it gives you a lot of benefit in terms of the structure, vocab, grammar, and saving you time. So feel free to check it out. Just a short video to let you guys know where to go for that. Also, you can subscribe to our blog with a lot of new updates on IELTS, CELPIP, English learning, and general overall essay and university English practice. We have lots of tips that we upload there. So if you subscribe there, not only will you get this template, but you'll also get a lot of other content as well that we post weekly almost, as well as here on this YouTube channel. So guys, feel free to subscribe to our channel here at HZad Education and also at our blog. Thank you so much. Take care.